learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know what? Starting this month, we're doing something special. We're going to bring you a news article, something informative, something that is current. And then from that article, we're going to teach you certain phrases about it, okay? 我们这个月呢要比较时事性一点，或者是有活动要介绍给大家，
OK，
要播报给大家，让大家先听完了之后，我们再从这里面去
学单字，
取一些单字来学一学，然后又可以知道有哪些新鲜事在发生。Isn't that good? That's good, right? All right, let's hear this news article in English first.
The stage is set for the annual Hakka Tung Blossom celebration. Each county and city is holding their own events and everybody's welcome to stop by. Enjoy the beautiful tung blossoms and chow down on delicious food.
So, it's all about the Hakka Tung Flower Festival. 就是要讲我们现在是4月还有5月开花最丰盛的时候，
刚好是我们的桐花季。
对，就是客家桐花季嘛，对不对？ This is something you have to know. 客家桐花季. How do you say that exactly?
客家桐花季.
Hakka Tung Fa Ji. That's the tung flower, all right? Now, aside from going around the island to see all these flowers blossom beautifully, there's going to be a lot of other activities. 其实除了要赏花之外，而且是北中南东部都有之外，还会搭配很多活动，一系列的活动，对不对？
对，一系列的活动很多。
Yeah. So why don't we teach you how to say that too? A series of activities, okay? 一系列的活动，一系列先好了。
一系列，
一系列 that means a series of activities. 活动，发通活动，
一系列的活动，一系列嘅發通，
Okay, that means a series of activities. And one activity that you know I will not miss. 其中一种活动我绝对不会错过的，就是吃啊。
我看就知道。
Yeah, have all the great Hakka cuisine that they provide, okay? 美食。米食，听起来好像米食，对不对？但不是米食，是美食。
好吃，对了，看起来就很漂亮，就想吃了。
好的米食，很美的米食也可以了。Anyways, 米食 that means delicious food. All right, let's review all these terms. All right, 客家桐花季 the Hakka Tung Flower Festival.
客家桐花季
Hakka Tung Fa Ji, and then a series of activities 一系列的活动。
一系列嘅發通。
And finally, 美食, which is delicious, yummy food.
米食.
And there you go. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.